In this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut. So you need to open up your project and then have your video here. First you can add these splits. So to add a split you need to go to edit and then split, and then you have multiple splits. And then you want to go back to edit, scroll all the way to the right, and then you see a reverse option. You click on the reverse option, and now that reverse option is applied just to this part of the video. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.